Hello everybody, please allow me to share a case of developing a sample for one of our clients. Then we received an inquiry from our client. She wants to develop her own customized sample. Then we share our experience on sample cases. For example, as per our experience, sample has only one single press button or sound bar with many button press, and also a hidden sound module with the sound module hidden on a page, and then with pop-up. This is pop-up, and then the sound module hidden in the text page. Also, the next one is also hidden sound module, and then it has very nice die cut on the text page. Example this one. I think this format is also interesting. And then the sound module hidden here. Also, this very new light sensitive sound module. When people remove the top layer, then it sounds. And when we cut it, it stops sound. So this one is very new technical. Then our client chose the hidden sound module. She wants the sound module hidden in the page, in the text page. Then we make the first round of proving sample as per her requirement. Let me play it for you. When you turn it on, then you press, then it sounds. Then after receive this first round of sample, she changed her mind and want to see an additional option of sound module. Then she requires us to make one more sample with this sound bar. And let me turn it on. It has several press buttons. Okay. And then also, she wants us to make it flexible for the sound to be low or loud. So we reflect here. Actually, during the development, we change and add a thick EVA spacer here, and then cut this one out. See, this is the sound module is much thicker, and then we add thick EVA spacer here and made it even. We suggest to use EVA material because it could be light than the paper material. Then this is the final output. Do you like this one?